having a market at a botanical garden today.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is our first time as a vendor at a local market inside Botanical Garden. Botany is the largest greenhouse in Vegas and this is their 1-year anniversary event. Our space is approximately 8 by 4 feet, so I'm using a standard 6 feet table, and this square panel shelf is my main structure. Then I use other acrylic stand foldable bins to add level. Remember to create as much vertical space as possible. Onto my favorite part, display plushies. I got this 3-tier tabletop shelf at Michael's for $18 with a coupon. I believe the original price was $24 or so. And for all the little items, I display them in the acrylic nail polish stand organizer. Since we don't have a big space, I only bring small and medium items, but still at a variety price range. I've learned that put more affordable items at eye level does increase sales. 80% of people who stop by my booth will absolutely buy something. I am very proud of this DIY display for my charms, using only foam board and pin. I still need to find a better way to hold them without those 2 ugly orange clips. Everything on the display board have SKU stickers underneath them, so when the customer sees something that they like, they can just tell me the SKU and I will be able to find it in my stock. I recently found these chalkboard price tag and I am in love. Back here, I store all the remaining stock, matching with where it would be at the front. You can see my snack bag back there. In the middle is the cash register and my love square. And the same thing on the left side, remaining scrunchies and mystery bags. Behind where I sit, we have a toolbox, bags, yarn bag for my projects of course, and a packing cart. This is just a normal rolling cart, but I flip the top upside down and use it as a flat surface to pack items. On the second tier, we have freebie bags and other packing supplies. Here you can see how I use the SKU system to look for the products that the customer wants. And this packing cart is coming so handy. It's giving me a little more surface to pack all the cute products into the safe bag for the customer. And as always, when we don't have as much customer, I would try to squeeze in some crochet time. We were so busy the first 2 to 3 hours of the show, so I'm super starving here. I am having a veggie wrap plant-based burger from Arrow's Vegan. Please check them out on Instagram and show some love. Their food was so good. The last 2 hours of the show was not as busy, so I just take some more time and make this as a lotto. And this is how our booth looked in the last hours of the show. I always love to bring some twinkle light to use when the sun set. It's just make our booth look adorable, and look at this ambiance, you guys. Now, if you are someone who do research on how to set up your market table, I highly recommend you check out this video next, where I show you how I set up a 10 by 10 outdoor booth. So thank you so much for watching this video, but I will see you in this video next.